It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2022 F-150 XLT in rapid red with the black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. And this has a nice spray-in liner as well. You've got clamps on the tailgate. You have navigation, a power sliding rear window, and this has got a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. If you'd like to take this truck out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And this is a map of downtown Detroit. Driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, the electronic parking brake, high mount light, lighting controls, LEDs, side view mirror spotlights, and your tailgate release. There's also a running board and grab handle, making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, and your menu will come up as well. So there's my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center there's a little cubby up top. You've got your camera view, so even though I haven't put the vehicle in reverse, I can press this and I can get the view out the front. And this shows me where I am in space, which is quite nice. And then I can press that again, hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. And then in the settings, I can choose whatever I want. I can change the look of my display, change my units in general, so I can go from Celsius to Fahrenheit or whatever I want to do. And then we just touch on whatever you want. You can see this little side menu here, so it's just a sneak peek of things going through the different menus. And then we can go into audio, choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Navigation, so you want the full view, and then you can make a choice in your destinations. We were in settings, and in features, you have your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assist. Now, when I put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. So here we are in space again, backup bumper. Green, yellow, red is how close we're approaching vehicles when going in reverse, and there's your center line. And I'm just going to put us back into park, volume and tuner, and then we also have our dual climate control, heated seats, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, pro trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with locking differential. It'll appear to the right of the main menu, and then when I press it, it'll go off again. And then drive mode, so this will come up. So it's just letting me know that we're getting low on fuel, normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then back around again is slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and we can go back to normal here. So if your road conditions or your weather conditions change, or you're going off-road, you can adapt. And there's a little bin down below. You have your USB, USB-C, automatic select shifter, and you want it to go flat, you can do that. You have an armrest that opens up, quite generous, little bin. You got a USB, USB-C, so lots of places to plug in and connect. Let's bring that back up. So we could use that as a work surface or whatever you want to do. And there's a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, as well as your 120. 2 glove compartments. The lower one's locking, this one releases from here. Grab handle in the body, and then you have your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. You have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. 20-inch wheels, black running boards, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, and you're seeing the FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates. And in the rear, you've got your backup camera just above your handle, LED light to the right, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And one of my favorite features, when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you simply double-click your fob. It'll power it down. You've got this nice spray-in liner, tie-downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have the ability to plug in and power up any tools or whatever else you may have with you. And on the back of the tailgate, you have these clamp areas, so you can clamp on whatever project you're working on. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handles in the body. And there's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and that gives you lots of room on the floor, and you're seeing your carpeted mats. And then to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got this nice black sport cloth material. In the back of the seats are slim pockets. There's a couple of cup holders, 12-volt air vents, USB, USB-C, and 120 volt. And you also have a grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks up top, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 6.5-foot spray-in lined box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with side LED side mount lighting. As well, you have blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.